Bella don't want any parts of this fireworks stuff. She does not care for it. She's not the type of dog to get, too upset. Oh, now that one might. She didn't like that one. Maybe I should raise this up a little bit for the higher ones, just a little bit. She's not the type of dog to get too upset with, fireworks or thunderstorms. She doesn't, tremble like a lot of dogs do. But so it doesn't totally freak her out. At the same time, she don't care for it too much either. So we're gonna go for a little walk. I know the camera, it looks pretty dark out, but the moon, it's light enough that you can go for an evening walk after dark. Oh, maybe somebody brought some bigger ones. Yeah, she's probably not gonna like this. Still, she's not the type to tremble. But she didn't want to be out here. She's like, nah. She's like in on the bed or up on the. No, she's up on a driver's seat. I have the dog, but up on a driver's seat, and she's just hanging out there. She feels much safer inside the Coachman, in our home. So Happy New Year's, everybody. Just sitting out and enjoying the fireworks here along the beach. Here near, I don't know, is it Surfside, Texas, or Seaside, Texas, or Surfside? I always forget. Yeah, just south of Freeport, Texas. I don't know how long this will go on. Maybe I should time lapse it and speed things up. Maybe put a little music to it. No idea how long this is going to go on. It's been going on for about an hour already. Like as soon as... Now, these people got some bigger ones. I am going to go ahead and try to jack this up a little bit. Maybe we can move it back some. And, oops, that's maybe a little too high. I still want to get... Just in case any ground action occurs, I don't want to miss that. So... We'll see if we get a little better shot of the next one that goes up. Oh. Good luck. Wow. Pretty nice. It's for a car coming through. They decided to just park right there. They turned around. Maybe just want to drive through it. Oh, they missed the turn where you go back out to the road. So, alright. Yeah, we're just off the... Oh, the camera suddenly went out of focus. Maybe we're too far. I need to get a little more light in the... Yeah, see. Alright. Boom. Whee. Yep, so out with 2023. It's still pretty early. I think it's only... Ooh. See, and then I missed the... and then I want to keep the... I could back way up. But now I want to keep the camera pretty close to the Coachman. Whee! Oh yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, out with 2023. It's it. It's a few hours yet till midnight, and here we go with 2024. I hope everybody has a happy new year. Yep, I wish that for everybody, including ourselves, all my friends and family, and just everybody out there. Looks like there's some pretty big ones down. We're kind of blocked with this one camper that's... Dang it. Well, we may get some wind noise out here, but let's turn around. There's something going on behind us. I don't think there's our light is spectacular, but they might be like out of fireworks, out of the good ones. They had a nice little show earlier. But now, spin back around again. All these other folks seem to have brought something a little bigger, a little more, of course, it costs more money, a little more expensive. A couple little, what are those doing? A couple little duds. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Yeah, there's some way down there. Let me zoom in. Let me do this here. We can cheat and watch somebody else's fireworks down here. Yeah, how's that? That's quite a ways down the beach. Oh, look at that. But that's over a quarter mile away, easily. Yeah, well, it's like all these bangs and whistles, and yeah, not caring for that a whole lot. Whoo! I better zoom back. Oops, hang on. I gotta zoom back out. Now these people are back at it again. And now we're out of focus. This isn't working real good. Let's get back over here. Okay, hang in there. Hang on, everybody. I'm not gonna cut anything out. I'm not gonna edit that out of there. It's almost like being live. No edits. I gotta get my focus back. Oh, wait. So we gotta come down here and get enough light. Come on, focus. It's getting a little better. Come on. Yeah, it's really, really low light conditions. Maybe what we need to do is now, I am recording this on the GoPro too. Maybe I should use this soundtrack and mix in some of the GoPro footage, the video. The video from the GoPro, it's over by the corner of the Coachman running. So what we might do is wrap this video up. Yeah, it's kind of a shame this doesn't work. If I go up here to capture that, okay, the camera's confused. The camera, I'm sure, is out of focus. So when the next one goes up, it'll be blurred. When it's down, or there's some light, it can kind of get something to focus on. But when it's up like this, I'm sure it's out of focus. When that next one goes off, it'll just be a big bright blur. See? And then we miss the ones down there. Come on, let's get some focus. Suddenly isn't working very well anymore, is it? How can I get the focus back? There we go. See, I have to keep some light in the picture, or the camera's just totally lost. Uh-oh, somebody's out there setting another one up. We'll see what this one does, then maybe we'll wrap it up. Okay, what are they doing here? Hang on. They might be setting up a grand finale. Or where are they at here? It's that thing. They put that out there. They're gonna situate it a little better, or are they lighten it? We better zoom out so we're ready. Alright guys, alright. This could be their grand finale. Yeah, it's not. It's not real impressive. I think it was a dud. It shut out a couple, now it's done. That's that thing down there. Hang on. That's that thing. That thing didn't seem to do very much. Oh, it might be. Oh, it's just a simple little thing in like a container. There, yeah, like a Roman candle or something. That's what that is. That's all those are. So I think it shoots out, 10 or 12 of them. What's that? 4, 5, 6. All right. I guess I don't make Roman candles like they used to. We used to get 10 or 12 shots out of them. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. I might throw some other footage in here, and from the GoPro, see if it did any better. But this is me signing off. So, Happy New Year's from Bella and I, and we'll see you sometime very soon. Now, just as I shut the camera off, that went off, so I added it. Okay, now we're done.